Hi guys, you're watching Trish Kitchen and I'm Trisha. Today I'm going to share with you fish fries recipe. This fish fry get ready quickly and tastes awesome. So let's see how to make this fish fry. Here I'm using 6 to 7 rohu fish pieces. We need chili powder. I'm using half tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, half tablespoon of garam masala, half tablespoon of mustard seeds powder, half tablespoon of coriander cumin powder, turmeric powder, pepper powder and salt. Then we need lemon juice and 2 tablespoons of rice flour. Mix all the ingredients together with the fish. Mix it properly to create a coat of spices on the fish. Keep it in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Now heat mustard oil in a pan. Put the fish into the hot oil and fry it on medium flame for 2 minutes. Flip it to fry other side. Fry till it turns golden brown from both sides. Our fish fry is ready now. Transfer it to a plate. Serve it with onion and lemon slices. Friends, if you like this recipe, please like my video. Thanks for watching.